In this video, I will share with you how to export contacts from GoHighLevel. So step one, log into your GoHighLevel account. Then switch from here to the sub account where you want to add or export contacts from. Then go to contacts. As you see, those are the contacts I have in this sub account. So to export them, it's simple. Click here to select all contacts, or manually select the contacts that you want to export. In my case, I will go with all contacts. Then click on this export button here. As you see, I am exporting 5 contacts. Your export files will be available for 30 days. And then they will send you a push notification when your export is ready. Click on export. Success, check progress. As you see, I am now jumped to the bulk actions. And as you see, my last export is completed. Now to download this exported contacts, click on this button below statistics. The file is downloaded to my computer. Let's open it. And as you see, those are the 5 contacts I have in my accounts. And this is how to export contacts from GoHighLevel. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.